Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2016 Toyota Tundra. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and drop the battery in. Do take note, this hole here and the hole that's right down here, that's where these battery clamps are going to clamp into. Keep that noted because we're going to need that to do that. So let's go ahead and drop this battery in. Alright, and there it is. Now let's go ahead and put our battery clamp in here. And remember, this is where it's going to go into those holes. So put them in accordingly. Just like so. Then we'll do this other side. Alright, and there it is. Now we'll go ahead and tie these up. I'm going to need both hands so that way we get this battery nice and tied down. Alright, and this one is going to be a 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and tie this down. Alright, now let's go ahead and remove this cap. Battery's nice and secured. Make sure you clamp it in between these little stems or bumps, ports. Let's go ahead and secure this down with a 10mm wrench. Then let's put on this little cover here. Let's go ahead and place the negative terminal. And let's go ahead and tie this one back down with the 10. Alright, there it is, nice and secured, and we are set. And she's alive. Let's go ahead and start her up. Toyotas always do that. Now it's going to start. I don't know why, but Toyotas always do that. They don't start the first time, they start the second time when you jump start it, when it's completely dead, and replace the battery. So weird, but there it is. No idle issues. Everything's good. No Christmas tree lights. Everything is fantastic. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I did not use a memory saver. This battery was completely dead, so there was no point of saving any information. I never do it, and I never come across any issues. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.